Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while. It's been a while since I posted, almost going on I think a year now since I posted my last video, which is embarrassing, but a lot of changes happened. A lot of things occurred in that year, but I am happy to announce that we moved. We are in a new space. This is actually our first home, well, duplex, and I wanted to give you guys an empty house tour because why not? Me and Kevon had always had a 1-bedroom, and it's so nice to go from having just a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment to a 3-bedroom, 2 full bath house. That's what we're calling it. We're calling it a house. And it's nice to just have all that space and have our own backyard, our own garage, our own front yard, pretty much everything. It's definitely a culture shock, but we are very grateful and very blessed to be where we are today. And I can't help but thank the man upstairs for bringing us to where we are and helping us elevate within this last year. I'm grateful to be better than where we were before. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed and subscribe to my channel if you're new. But I'm done ranting. Let's go ahead and get into this empty house tour.
Raindrop, drop top, top smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park, we came from nothing to something, nigga.
All right, so when you first walk in, this is our living area. Got this nice big window over here. And then it goes into the dining room. One thing I love about this place is that there's no carpet and there's nice tall ceilings. And then also the living area, that's our front door. We do have a closet right here. Like a walk-in closet, which is nice. Over here we have our kitchen. So I'm gonna put bar stools right here. Huh? Nothing. Say hi.
What's going on?
And then we have a black fridge, black oven, and microwave, and then a dishwasher. I really want to switch out these cabinets. I think I'm gonna use some contact paper on it. That's gonna be a project in itself. We have a door to the backyard for the doggies and a nice window over here. So when you come outside from the kitchen, here is our backyard. The dogs absolutely love it back here. It is privately fenced, so it's nice to have that privacy. We do have this little porch area. It's kind of small, but not too small to the point that we can't put some chairs out here. There is a plug so we can put some lights out here and make it kind of cute. And the dogs absolutely love it. They love being out here. So we have this whole side, and then if you go in the back, which I'm not going to be doing because your girl don't have sneakers on, and Texas bugs are a whole different story, but we get that whole backyard area as well too. I'll try to show that to you from my bedroom window just so you can see how big it is back there. The dogs absolutely love it. And then the garage is over here. It's a 1-car garage. I don't want to go out there because there's a huge spider, and Kawan's gonna take care of that. So. But back here you have our bedrooms, and this is our water heater over here, so there's no reason to use that. In here is just a laundry room, so we don't have our appliances yet, but we're gonna be getting those. It's nice and big. I wish there was another shelf because there's not a lot of storage in this place, but we're gonna make it work. Maybe I'll put like another shelf up top, that way we have more storage space. But I like that it's kind of like pretty deep, which is nice. And then over here, I'm probably gonna put a table here just to have like some extra storage or something. I don't know. We're gonna play around with it. But over here is Kevon's office. It is a 3-bedroom, so no carpet, which is so nice. And he does have a closet for more storage. If he doesn't use it all, best believe I will be using it for storage as well too, because we need somewhere to put our towels and stuff. But it's just a typical double door closet. And then We have 2 full baths. Here's one of them. That's me. Sink. I'm definitely gonna be contact papering these as well. Then we have like a over the door type cabinet thing, which I probably could store some stuff in here, but I don't know. And a full shower and tub combo toilet, typical, nice size. And then in here would be my beauty room, which I'm so excited to decorate. It is gonna be so cute. Another closet, which is nice. The door is closing on its own and it's freaking me out, but there is a fan on in here, so that could be it too. A window. Then last but not least is our master, which is a little small, but because we have all of the other space, like all the extra space, I feel like it's pretty decent. Got that nice big window. We have that bigger closet that takes up the whole back wall here. And then tile all throughout. And then in here is our bathroom. Bathroom. That's my sink. I already cleaned it. That's it. And then tub, another over the door cabinet, and a full shower and tub combo. I am very happy with it, guys. I'm going to be taking you guys probably along my little decor journey, making this place a home, but I'm really excited about it. And this is our first 3-bedroom. We only have 1-bedroom places, so it's pretty different to finally have like more room. I do like how bright it gets in here though, and how tall the ceilings are. That's definitely a plus. All right, guys, so that is our empty house tour. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos of me, Kevon, us decorating the house, me doing makeup, pretty much just hearing me rant in general. Yeah, make sure you subscribe, and I guess I'll see you babes in my next video. Bye.